a few recent pickups. I have seen this one in Europe about 100 times and I never grabbed it. And then I came back to Costa Rica and saw it on the shelves at Alice here in Costa Rica. $2,900, that's like just close to $6. I do have that one and that one and that one and that one. Wow, the only one I'm missing is the yellow. Golf. Huh. Learn something new every day, huh? I'll have to get it since I have the whole other set. That. Then the Volkswagen 60th anniversary majorette. I don't see these a lot in Costa Rica. And I have a few of these. I think I did a video where I cracked it and put it in the can, like the sardine can. But that's kind of a cool one. This one's a little more expensive. This is just under 10 bucks. And then I have a bunch of Skylines, so I decided to grab this. I'm not really into them that much, but kind of intrigued me that the hood wasn't on, and I'm not sure why they do that exactly. Weird way to display it, but anyway, that one also about 6 bucks. So I got that. And the first time I've seen these anywhere, actually, the speed icons by Maisto. Now, usually they make just crappy cars, really, really bad quality, no interiors, plastic wheels that break. You can't even customize them because the base is so thin, plastic, that when you try to drill it, half the time it cracks it. And even doing a wheel swap on a Maisto is tough. But these ones definitely look to be a bit better quality. A couple of speed icons and a couple of Lamborghinis as well. So that's basically just what I've got over the last few days, but I think I should probably crack one of these speed icons and see what it's all about. Let's do that now, actually. Oh, wow, look at that. Now that's the way a blister should open. Look at that, just falls right out. I have fought with blisters for years. That one just popped. That's the way it should be. Anyway, feels a lot better quality, a little heavier than a Hot Wheel. Rubber tires, look at that. Got the rubber tires. And not bad detailing at all. Wow, that's impressive. I like that. So that's the Maisto, and then you get the nice little box you can throw it in afterwards. Once again, that's the first time I've seen these, so that's kind of a cool thing to have. And now you know, if you've seen Maistos in the past and you want to grab one of these, it's probably a better idea because they are much, much better quality. So the speed icons, look at that. The best of the bunch right there.